Y'all know I did the video yesterday about the monkey with the COVID with the herpes, right? And I asked where was Peter. Well, they answered my staff, Rod and staff answered me. They shot the monkey in Mississippi with the herpes and the COVID. Remember Monkey Shine? They say how AIDS come about in this world, Monkey Shine. They showing y'all. They put the fucking diseases in animals in the testing labs and then put it in a shot and give it to you and call it a flu shot or a COVID shot or some type of fucking shot. Y'all better wake up and get with the program and stop going with these damn doctors and shit. These people is crazy. Pinky and the brain, mad scientists. These people are going mad.